if four four fair coins are tossed simultaneously, then find the probability that two heads and two tails appear. So four coins. Okay? So four fair coins are tossed. Find the probability that two heads and two tails turn up. Now four coins when tossed, what is the probability of, total number of events is n of s. That is here you see. See, if I write like this, four coins at a time I tossed. That means I thrown four coins upside at a time. So what is the possibility of the first coin to turn up? After falling, it can turn up any T or H, tail or head. Similarly, second coin, tail or H. Similarly, third coin, tail or H. Similarly, fourth coin, tail or H. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. All four we are at a time we are tossing or throwing up, and they are falling down all four at a time. So each coin, first coin can have two possibilities, second two possibilities, fourth, third two possibilities. Totally 2 power 4, that is 16 ways are there. Total number of total number of events is total number of ways is 16 ways. 16 ways are possible. 16 different ways are possible when four coins are tossed simultaneously. Now out of which what is the probability is asking? Two tails and two head. So out of the 16 combinations, what are the favorable events in which two tails turn up? Out of these, any of two coins should turn up tail and other two coins turn up as head. That is what is asked. What is the probability of that? Okay. Now n of e is, see what are the possibilities favorable events. See four coins are tossed. So first is t t h h or t h t h or t h h t or h t t h or h h t t or h t h t. That means there are 6 possibilities are there in which two tails will come, two heads will come. Okay, this is the ways, total number of ways in which two heads and two tails will come. 6 possibilities are there. This of course we can do in another way also, because fixing one t here, we can fix one t here. The remaining 3 will be expressed 3 factorial by 2. Means it is 3 factorial by 2 means it is 3 only. Similarly, when I fix here h and remaining 3 will be fixed here in how many ways? We can say 3 factorial by, again 2 are the same. Okay, we can do that way because repetition. Two letters are same two letters are same letters are there. And one h I am fixing here. There will be tt and h. That can be done in how many? 3 factorial by, means it is 3 ways. So fixing h 3 will come. Fixing t here again it will come 3. That means total 3 plus 3 6 ways. Or we can write clearly like t t h is all possible we are writing here. We don't have more than this. So out of the 16, only these 6 possibilities are there. 2 t's and 2 h's will come. Of course the order is different. No problem. It is not asking any order. When 4 coins are thrown up, tossed up, this should be the possibility favorable. 6 ways. Total is P of E is n of t by n of s. That is 6 by 16. It is 3 by. Okay. Now we'll take up the another problem. Hope you understood this one. Okay, so another problem is a fair coin is tossed 200 times. Find the probability of getting head an odd number of times. He's asking, and head should come odd number of times. Here, so 200 times, only single coin tossed 200 times, and we should get head an odd number of times. Now only one coin tossed 200 times. Okay. Now what are the possibilities when 200 times toss the coin? There are 200 possibilities. When 200 upcomings, when the coin is thrown, it will go up and fall down. When it fall down, it will turn up. It will turn up. So when it turn up, it will either head or tail. Head or tail will come. There are 200 possibilities, either head or tail. There are total 200 because 200 times we are throwing. So in these 200 times, so we will get 200 coin can turn up. That means in this 200 times the coin can turn up either tail or head, either head or tail. Head or tail it will turn up. Means 200 times tail or h. H or the 200 times. We can't say. all 200 are T's can be, all H can be, all 200 times H, or one time T, one time H, or sometimes T, sometimes H. Maybe in 200 times T, H, 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 T, 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 H, H, like this 200 times will turn up. Possibilities are there. But he is asking here, only head should come when drawn 200 times, head should come odd number of times. What are in 200? What are in 200 times? What are the odd number of terms? Means so one means one head should come remaining all tail, or three head should come remaining all tails, or five head should come remaining all tails, or seven head should come remaining all tails. That means he is saying that odd number of times. Suppose if I say nine times when I count 200 times, out of which 9 times must be head, remaining all tail, or 7 times head, remaining times tail, like this, or maybe 11 times head, all odd number of times. So we should understand here how many times odd numbers will come in this 200. Simply 100 odd numbers will be there. These 100 possibilities are there. That means 100 favorable events are there. So therefore in n of s there is 200 times. Out of this 100 times must be should come up odd times. Head turns up odd number of times. How many number of 100 odd numbers are there? 100 odd times. Means 1 time, 3 times, 5 times, 7 times like this. Like 100 will come. 11 times, 13 times, 15 times like this. 100 odd numbers are there. 100 odd number of times it should turn. So there are 200 total. 200 by 200 is what is a required. Hope will stop.